ID for Men is an anatomical pad specifically designed for men. This protection should be worn inside men's underwear or with a supporting fixation net pant. The pad should be properly positioned to ensure comfort and safety for the user. Start by lowering the underpants to knee level. Take the product out of its pouch and unfold it. Remove the adhesive tape from the product. Position the pad by ensuring that the widest part is at the front. Place the pad inside the underpants. The adhesive part must be in contact with the underpants, allowing the pad to remain in place. Roll up the underpants and adjust for optimum comfort and safety. It is not recommended to wear this type of pad in loose-fitting underwear. An underwear worn close to the body will bring total effectiveness to this type of product. Another alternative is to wear a supporting fixation net pant in combination with this pad.